Here doing the fall maintenance on this customer's house. My first call, walking up this ladder, always 3 points of contact, if you can. You know, walking with the bag is tough. But here's my unit, it's a Lennox unit, moving everything so I can get some space to do this maintenance. Getting my gloves, getting my thermometers. I'm trying to get used to getting everything in the order. Just like getting my thermometers out first, making sure heat rise while the heater's on. Next step, figure out where I get my combustion analyzer plugged in. Turn that on. It takes about 30 seconds to get all turned on. Wait that. Get my panel off. I'm checking up the amps for the blower. Everything checks out very well. Looking at the inducer motor. Checking out the filter. Customer stated that the filter was changed last month, so I was all checked out. Right now I'm about to take pictures of each thermometer, making sure I have everything for paperwork. This is the biggest things that customers love because I can just send it to their email. All right, the next thing I'll be doing is making sure my tools get back to where they were at. That's the biggest thing right now, is never leaving my tools. And every single time I use them, always put them back. Taking pictures of everything, finishing up everything. My next step, I'm gonna be doing taking pictures of the combustion analyzer, taking pictures of the efficiency, the oxygen level, the carbon monoxide, and my delta T of my flute. This is the things that a customer will need eventually, and something I will need for my diagnosis if I end up coming back. Getting ready to do my inducer motor. I remember my first couple times, I used to stick my hand through there and get scratched from it spinning over and over again. But now I fix myself. But everything's getting back into the tool bag. Again, this is my just checklist of going over everything that I have. It helps me a lot doing this. Again, just eliminates the forgetting tools. So I'm turning off the system now, making sure everything comes back on. But thanks for watching.